Hi all, I am Veena Iyer back to you with some new things in this video series. So now here on I'll be adding some more things to your knowledge. I'll be coming up with some amazing facts every now and then as possible around the world, whatever is going on, whatever is from the past or in our body. All these things I'll be covering up with some facts that you should know, one should know. So in this video, I'll be going with 13 amazing body facts. So here you can see some images shown. First one is skeleton system. Second one is your nervous system. Third is blood circulation. Fourth is your respiratory system and then digestive system and muscles. So about all this in deep with some facts, let us move ahead. The first one, your fingernails grow 4 times as fast as your toenails. Hence, you can find the nails on your fingers. You need to cut it very often, then you cut your toenails. Very often, every week or 4 days, you come up with your nails growing big. That to your fingernails. So, this is the fact that the growth of fingernails is so fast compared to your toenails. Babies are born with 300 bones while adults have 206 when they grow up. Now babies, the bones in the baby's body is small. So when they grow up gradually, these bones come together, they join together and then it becomes one single or maybe twice, but it reduces, the count reduces to not 6. Now the third one, eyelashes last about 150 days. Now you can check it by taking one of your eyelashes and when the new one grows, just count if possible. Just count and check it's 150 days that your eyelashes are there on your eyes. The heart circulates your blood through your body about 1,000 times each day. So each day, that is one day, the heart is helping your body to circulate the blood 1,000 times. So just think how much hard working is the heart as compared to us. We become lazy, but the heart never. It goes on and goes on circulating the blood for us. That too, it's almost 1,000 times each day. Fifth, the smallest bone in your body is in your ears. Now you can find out that there are three bones shown here, malleus, incus and stapes. When you compare the size with as compared to your thumb, the smallest one which is present in your ears is the stapes. So this is the smallest bone in your ears. Coming to the next one. Your blood has the same amount of salt in it as the ocean does. Now, how to understand it better? If you can move to a laboratory, take 1 cup of blood and at the same time take another cup filled with ocean water. Now compare the salt in both. You can find there is same amount of salt in both the cups. Hence this fact is proved that your blood has the same amount of salt as it has in the ocean. A sneeze blows air out of your nose at 100 miles per hour. So you can just imagine the speed of the sneeze that is blown out. Now one more thing to understand here is whenever you sneeze, just check out that you close your eyes and you sneeze, because one cannot, it is impossible to open your eyes and sneeze because the speed or the entire energy that you use to sneeze, if you open your eyes will shoot out because the eyes can't control the pressure that is put on for sneezing. Hence we close our eyes when we sneeze. You are taller in the morning than you are at night. The reason here comes up is the gravitational changes that happen during these times. It's very minute. It's not that your height changes from 5 centimeter to 10 centimeter. It's just too minute than that. One cannot even imagine how much difference it is. So coming to ninth, children have more taste buds than adults. So you can find out if you have children at home, the kind of taste recognition that they come up is at a higher level than we adults. They often come up with their own levels of tasting of different types of food, but as compared to us, we cannot have it. Due to the growth in our body, gradually we tend to, no, we cannot recognize the taste or we don't find such taste when we grow more and more adult. Coming to the 10th one, your lungs are the only organs in your body that float. Hence, it is possible to you to float on your rivers, like swimming pool and all, because the lungs take the capacity of your body to float. And it is the only organ that helps you to float. Food spends up to 6 hours in the stomach being digested. So if you're having food at any time like afternoon or night, please make it sure that you have it in some quantity, not much, because it takes almost this much time to get digested. So if you're having frequently, try to have it little each time. Otherwise, avoid having food in between these span. After 6 hours, again you can have. So coming up to next point, that is 12th, bones are 4 times stronger than concrete. I guess you might have, you can compare it very easily because concretes, we live in concretes. So when you compare, it's actually scientifically compared, proved that bones are 4 times stronger than concrete. 13th and the largest facts that for today, the largest muscle in your body is the one you are sitting in or sitting on, because hence it is said by doctors that when you sit for almost 2 hours or 1.5 hours, make it a point that you get up and walk for at least 10 minutes and then you can sit back. Don't continuously sit. So here we complete with all our amazing facts. So I guess all my viewers have liked the video. Please don't forget to share, like and comment. If you have liked my video, I'll be uploading with some more amazing facts to you very soon. Thank you.